welcome to One Piece Car Accessory. So this is the target audio news model Android player. Okay, this model. So the target 10-inch and the TS10 model. Okay, as the 8GB RAM, 128 storage, can support the 360 built-in the DSP. So the screen resolution. Okay. 1280.720 QLED screen, so the can support the HD camera. So the SIM card, so support the SIM card phone 4G. So this the CarPlay and Auto also can support. Okay. How to connect it to 360? So the 360 camera view. So the TS10 so connected to 4 camera, also can support the 1080 camera, and the 720 camera also can support. Okay. So the setting to 4 size. Okay. Open. Okay, this is the target audio player 360. So the size. Okay. So the 3D support. Front, back, and side. Okay. And the front super wide, and the back super wide. Okay. Setting. Okay, setting 360. So the pin number 4321. Okay. So they can see the camera. Next, see the camera. Okay, this size. Confirm. Okay. Setting. Auto. Okay, setting auto cannot set to size fit. Okay, fitting menus. Wait, try again. Okay, menus. Okay, so the setting. Wait, next, next. Try again. Okay, setting the size. Take the hair next. 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 Okay, confirm. And the fun. Next. Confirm. Okay, okay. Next is fun. Next. 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 Okay, compounds. Is the bed setting bed. Next. Okay. Setting. Okay. Bed setting. And the right hand side. Number 5. 6. 7. 'Next. Okay, confirm. Okay, okay. 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 Set. Okay. Finish the setting 360. So here is okay. So here can setting the fan light, back reverse light, and set the model 2, model 3, model 4. So the reset 360 reset to here. factory reset setting. So can change the car. MPV sedan, setting to Audi, the color. Okay, can set the number brake. This car model, can set the number brake. Your car the number brake. Okay, outside. Okay, this is the 360 3D. Outside. Front, back hand side, and the super wide. Okay, thank you.